Check this out. If you're looking for a great application for free movies and TV shows, follow along with your device. First thing we need to do, come over to the settings icon, use your remote, push left, and then come down into the search area. Once we're in search, we can type in a program called Downloader. This will give us the ability to go to my store to get some amazing applications for this device. So type in DOW and Downloader comes right up, or you could use the little blue button, Alexa's voice, and just say Downloader and it'll come right up. Downloader here, the orange icon. Use your select button on your remote and select it. I already own it, you may not, so get it and download it. The FireStick will automatically put it in queue and install it for you. So before we open up the application, let's head back to our home screen because we have to change one setting to make all of this content come out. So head all the way down to your settings icon, the very last icon on this row. And then we come down to My Fire TV. Use your select button and click on My Fire TV. Now, I have developer options listed. You may not. If you do not, select About, and under Fire TV Stick, just select about 7 to 10 times. Here it says no need. I'm already a developer, and it'll say congratulations, now you are a developer. Hit the back button once. Developer options should be listed now. Highlight developer options and push select on your remote. Here we have ADB debugging. Push select on your remote and turn that on. Come down to unknown sources, select with your remote, find Downloader, and turn it on. This will allow Downloader to sideload applications onto our FireStick. Let's go back to our home screen, and let's go find Downloader. So all applications downloaded onto our FireStick will be down on the very second last icon there, the 3 squares plus sign. This is our apps and games section. And down here, the last application we downloaded is Downloader, and it'll be down at the very bottom. So we can select Downloader. Give Downloader a couple seconds to load up. Now guys, it will need access, so push allow. And then we have a quick start guide here. You can read through it and say okay. And then, so we're going to enter the shortcut in here. So hit select once, hit select twice on your remote. The Downloader acts just like a browser, so we're going to enter in a shortcut. So it's 370178. We come down and hit go. Use select button to hit go. It says a 5-second redirect to our downloads page store. Once the redirect is completed, we can hit the 3-line button on our remote. Add this page to our favorites, because now right here we can just go to the favorites in Downloader and have full access to the store whenever you want, just like a normal app store. And we can hit save. Now here guys, we have our top 25 applications available for downloading, some how-to videos on different kind of apps. In here we'll find apps for movies, TV shows, live TV, including sports. We'll find it. So let's head down. So on our way down here, there's a QR code. Get out your phones and scan it. This gives you the best application for a VPN, IP vanish, as you can tell, secure your online streaming and privacy for all your online usage. I suggest scan it, get VPN now to use it for all these great apps. So as you can tell, all the best apps for 2024. First app we can try to download, and guys, I highly suggest clicking on it, downloading IP Vanish, the best VPN for our Fire Sticks. And again, down on the bottom right, go to the bottom, hit install, and we can install IPVanish. And the app's installed. So we're going to come down and again hit done, as we no longer need the APK file. So delete the APK file, delete. We can come here, HD, click on it. This will take us to the download page for HD. And here, guys, here we can just highlight the download button and it'll download right to your FireStick. It's as easy as that. It's going to ask us to install it. So down on the bottom right, install. And the app's installed. So down on the bottom there's done or open. We're just going to click done. We do not want to open the file yet, as there's the ability to delete the installation file. So we're going to delete, and yes, delete that file. Now if we back out one more time, now we can head back to our home screen and see what we've done. So head all the way back to the 3 squares plus sign. And here under your apps and games, like I said earlier, the last downloaded application will be at the very end of our list. So down at the bottom here, so we have IPVanish and Cinema. Here we're going to use the 3-line button on our remote. And we can move it to the front. We can do the same with HD. And we can do the same with Downloader. Move it to the front. So as you can tell, we got a new line here of applications, which puts it right here for us to use. Now, like I said, guys, use the link in the description below, scan the QR code. We're going to open up, create an account, and use your login details that are emailed to you to log into IPVanish. So here, username, password. I'm going to log in quickly. See you in a sec. Now guys, if you want, instead of typing it in using your remote, you can always scan the QR code with your phone. And type it in right from your phone. Takes a couple seconds. It asks for the number. Yes, we have the same number. Good. Once we've inputted our information, here we're connecting. Let's move Santa for a second. Guys, come down to our little map icon. Hit countries, scroll all the way to the end. I'd highly suggest clicking in the United States, or if you want to find the city you want. But here, we can click on United States. Hit favorites, and now it's highlighted as our favorite, so we can click the United States and then we can connect. Say OK. And now our online activity is 100% secure. I would highly recommend using IPVanish for any of the applications that are on my app store, or any other app store for the matter of fact. IPVanish can secure your online activity, can geolocate yourself, change access, and prevent any unauthorized access to your network. All right, enjoy. Peace. All right? Happy streaming.